الله والله والله والله. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم، الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر، الخالق البارئ المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح العليم، القابض الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل السميع البصير الحكم العدل، اللطيف الخبير الحليم العظيم الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المقيت الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحصي المبدئ المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الوالي المتعالي البر التواب المنتقم العفو الرؤوف مالك الملك ذو الجلال والإكرام المقسط الجامع الغني المغني المانع الضار النافع النور الهادي البديع الباقي الوارث الرشيد الصبور.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما، ربنا زدنا علما، آمين رب العالمين. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name that we'll be discussing today is Al-Wajid. Al-Wajid means the pointing one, or the perceiver, the finder, the rich who is never poor. Al-Wajid is richness, the one who has discovered and obtained everything, the one who perceives and possesses everything, all knowledge and all items, the one who has no wants or needs, and the one who lacks nothing whatsoever. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Wajid, the one who does not need anything or lacks anything. And He is the most resourceful, and He will find whatever He wants, whatever He wills. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name Al-Wajid comes from the root wajada, which has some meanings, such as to find or discover, or to be aware of something, to experience something, or to gain or possess wealth, property, or some type of resource. The fourth of them, to be rich, to have abundance of one item. But in case for Al-Wajid, who has abundance in all items. And the last of them is to be one without any needs. We cannot see Al-Wajid in the Quran, but we do see some similar cases throughout the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses it in this similar context. Some examples are we can see in Surah Sa'd, ayah 44, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وخذ بيدك ضغثا فاضرب به ولا تحنث إنا وجدناه صابرا نعم العبد إنه أواب. So over here, this is talking about Ayub alayhi salam and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying over here that we found Ayub alayhi salam to be extremely patient throughout his trials that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given him. We know in the many trials that Ayub alayhi salam faced. And we can see also in like surah, in like the 30th juz, we can see We can see in Surah Al-Duha, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking the Prophet ﷺ in this case that, did we not find you wandering? And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him guidance, fahada. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala over here also uses it for a similar case, find. Did he not find you? So we can see in the Quran there are many ways and many different examples how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses it as a verb, but we do not see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses that as an attribute in the Quran. So how can we live by this name? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has made the book. So follow His book. Know that you are a slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is perfect. So follow His book. Submit to His commands and stay away from what is haram. So learn to recite it, learn to understand it, live by the Quran and increase yourself. And number two, ask Him if you lost it. It doesn't occur to many people to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when something's missing. We would ask a person who's around, or immediately blame someone, or just start to panic, where did it go? But we should know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is omniscient and He is everywhere, and He sees all and knows all. So if you lose anything, just know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Wajid, after all, the finder. So ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help to guide you in the proper direction to find this item. Allahu